you will learn how to automatically sync video and audio on CapCut. Instead of having the camera and the audio splitted in the editor, this video walks you through on how to join them together to make editing easy. Here am I in the CapCut, and you can see I recorded the screen, and after that I dragged and dropped. So this is the part of the camera and this is part of the audio, which is not making sense. Sometimes alignment is difficult when you start editing in this way. So let's now sync. First is click on the first part. All right. Press and hold on the control key of your keyboard. Press down on the control key. Okay, don't release the pressure. Then click on this. You can see the two have been selected. So remove your finger from the control key. Right click on this and you will see some options. Select sync video and audio. Then this has been synced. Then the next step again is right click on these clips and select the option create compound clip. You can see they have been made one, so you can start your editing from here. You don't need to start struggling between the audio and the camera. Okay, and once you're done with what you want to do, just click on export and select the export button for it to be saved into your PC.